Designing an HVAC logo and developing your brand can actually help you generate more clients. What's even better is that designing a professional logo for your brand doesn't take long at all. With PlaceIt, you can play around with different types of fonts, with icons, colors, and take your time coming up with a business name that makes sense, or you can even redesign the one that you already have. This is how I do it. Go to placeit.net and find the category that you're looking for on the top of the page. To start with your logo, choose a nice name with a cool slogan and type it in the text boxes, which ones you can activate or deactivate at any time by clicking this square here. Feel free to mix and match. You can use a different font in each, although I recommend up to 3 different fonts, no more. Then you can change the color of each line by clicking here. For this logo template, you have lots of design options, including a number of different main graphics to choose from. You can also browse more templates on PlaceIt if you think these graphics are not what you're looking for. Make sure that your logo clearly communicates what your business is all about. Then, in the accent color and main color section, you can try and change the color of the graphic to your liking. Finally, you only have to choose a background. By clicking on the More button, you can select an even more specific color by typing the hex code or use the dot to select a new color. Now, you only have to click on the download button on the top, and in just a few seconds, you will get 2 high-quality banner sized images ready to use, one with a transparent background and the other one with the color that you just select. And remember that with the unlimited subscription, you can create all the mockups that you want to for only $29 a month. Once your logo is ready, it's time to start promoting your business. Create amazing targeted social media ads that will reach your target audience, or making a nice flyer are options. Click on the description to do yours. Stand out from the crowd and get rid of the cliches into logo designs and create an eye-catching logo with PlaceIt's help.